So I love lentils and I decided to try to use some lentils to cook barefoot rice and beans. Stay tuned for my video.
You made this mess and left me.
So here I have some soaked lentils. I added some garlic, some pimento seeds, and some purple onions to begin the process of cooking this. This cooks like really quick. It's not a tough bean to cook. It cooks within 15 to 20 minutes. Once it was cooked, I added coconut cream and some coconut milk, and I seasoned with thyme, escallion, the whole works. I did use a little hint of pink Himalayan salt in this. I did not use any butter. Once it was seasoned, I left to boil. And then I'll wash my rice to put in. This is quick, easy, and really tasty. From another one-pot chicken meal that I did with some lentil. I really love it in rice and peas. It's not the traditional red beans or the traditional gungo peas that we're used to, but it does cook a good rice and peas as if it was dried gungo. And this lentil does have a lot of fiber in it. I used some basmatic rice to prepare some rice and peas, or barefoot rice as some call it. Then I washed my rice, added my rice, allowed to boil. I make sure to stir the rice so everything is evenly spread in my pot. Then I cover to boil under medium heat, and then I cover with a foil paper under low heat so the steam can cook the rice. Once it's stirred in and it's now time to cover to boil. Here it is. Once it's done boiling, then I cover with my foil to allow to steam and to cook. Welcome to Shells Island Flavor Cooking. If you're new, welcome. Please remember, guys, to like the video, drop a comment. Let me know what you all think about this lentil barefoot rice or lentil rice and peas. There is the finished rice. It tasted really good. An interesting one that I wish and hope that you will also try. This took under, I would say, maybe an hour. From cooking the beans to seasoning, it took under an hour. There was my rice and beans that I did with my brown stew jerk chicken. It came out excellent, came out really good, tasted really good. Stay tuned for my next video.
I've been stuck on